So today we are gonna make coated fries. So here I'm taking two medium size of potatoes. So now I'm gonna cut in. After cutting it, I soaked in salted water for half an hour. Now take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Now 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Salt to taste or salt 1/4 teaspoon. Black pepper powder half teaspoon. Red chili powder half teaspoon. Basil 2 pinches. Now add some water. You will add the water gradually. Add some water. Now mix it. We have to make it a paste, a thick paste. Now you can check the consistency. It should be like this. Now I'm gonna add the fries. Coat it. Heat up the oil. Now our oil is enough hot. Now I'm gonna fry these. Fry it on low flame for 2 minutes each side. Okay guys, so this is our final look of crispy coated fries. If you like this recipe, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll meet you in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.